पुण्यातील प्रतिष्ठित शैक्षणिक संस्था म्हणजे सिम्बायोसिस. 5 दशकांहून अधिक काळ शिक्षण क्षेत्रात असणाऱ्या या सिम्बायोसिस संस्थेनं आता स्किल बेस्ड एज्युकेशन देण्यासाठी सिम्बायोसिस स्किल्स युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या माध्यमातून अनेक कोर्सेस सुरू केले आहेत. तरी याविषयी सिम्बायोसिस स्किल्स युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या प्रो चान्सलर डॉक्टर स्वाती मुजुमदार यांनी काय माहिती दिली आहे ते जाणून घेण्यासाठी हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत पहा.
Symbiosis has been in the field of education and known for its excellence in education for the last 50 years. In 2008-9, I got a unique opportunity to chair the Maharashtra Government Skill Development Committee. And we interviewed thousands of students on what they feel about skill-based education. One of the very important findings of my research was that students did not aspire to go for skill-based programs, primarily for 2 reasons. The first reason was that there was no vertical mobility going from certificate all the way into degree programs within the larger sector of skill-based education. As a result, most of the courses were short-term and terminal in nature. The second issue was of social acceptability. People in our society did not respect the students having hands-on skills. There were no graduate degrees in skill-based education. Due to this, very few students, very few youth of our country and our state aspired to go for skill-based educational programs. This research made us think, and we decided to establish a skill university. We established Symbiosis University of Applied Sciences at Indore, which is India's first skill development university in the year 2016. We established Symbiosis Skills and Professional University under the Maharashtra government in 2017 on the Pune-Mumbai Expressway at Pune. The Skill University model is a very unique model which we developed for our country. In this model, we have built many unique features which are extremely useful to make students industry ready. The mission of our Skill University is to ensure that students can become immediately employable and can develop such skills and competencies that are required by the industry so that they can get jobs immediately after completing their academic programs in the Symbiosis Skills and Professional University. In order to conceive the academic programs at the Skill University, we did research for many years. We interacted with many industry champions, many companies in and around Pune, and also in and around Indore, to understand what was the requirement of skilled manpower within those companies. We then reverse engineered to curate special niche academic programs which are directly mapped to the job roles for which there is a demand in the industry. As such, we launched different programs in the high growth sectors, such as in engineering. We started with mechatronics engineering programs, automobile engineering, construction and infrastructure engineering, cyber security, and many such programs. Similarly, in the domain of management, we launched degree programs in retail and e-commerce management, in logistics and supply chain management, and even a unique course like ports and terminal management. Along with that, recently, we also launched a fintech program which prepares students for the banking and financial industry. We also have management programs in digital media and marketing. We have programs in data science at both undergraduate as well as postgraduate level. Another unique program of our Skill University is BSc in Beauty and Wellness, which is an extremely upcoming sector for our country. We also have programs in nutrition and dietetics, both at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels. And we also have an architecture program which trains students not only in architecture but urban planning and development. This university is unique in many ways. As I said, number one, that the programs are directly mapped to the job roles in the industry. The programs are built on the requirement of the local companies and the local industry. Another unique feature of the Symbiosis Skills Universities is the 70% focus on learning by doing, experiential learning, where students spend maximum time in the laboratories where they can actually learn by doing things with their own hands. Along with that, we also send students for internships every year. This really helps them to come very close to the place of work, to understand what are the expectations of their employers when they join them. When they go for yearly internships, by the time the students of our Skill University complete the academic program, they would have typically put in 1 year of WorkX, which really helps them to make themselves ready to take up employment in the local industry. All such unique features and characteristics of the Symbiosis Skills Universities, both at Pune and Indore, has given us an excellent result, an excellent success story.
महाराष्ट्रातील सर्व बातम्यांचे विश्वासार्ह व्यासपीठ. सकाळच्या सर्व सोशल मीडिया प्लॅटफॉर्मला लाईक, फॉलो आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. तसंच सर्व नोटिफिकेशनसाठी बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करायला विसरू नका.